Hello, this is Rubel, your English learning mate from LearningMate Rubel. সো আজকের এই ভিডিওটা একটা ইন্ট্রো হতে যাচ্ছে এই চ্যানেলের, যে কোন কোন ধরনের ভিডিও আমি আপলোড করব এই চ্যানেলে এবং কী ধরনের টপিকে আমি ভিডিও বানাবো। সো প্রথমত pronunciation and then vocabulary, basic to advanced and phrasal verbs, idioms, intonations and expressions. সো এখন আমি একটু এক্সপ্লেইন করব কেন এগুলি ইম্পর্টেন্ট। লুক, প্রথমত pronunciations. I think pronunciation is one of the most important part of English. If you do not know how to pronounce a word correctly, then you cannot speak confidently. So this is why we need to improve our pronunciation. And then second, vocabulary. Look, if you do not have enough vocabulary in your mind, then all the tricks and techniques you have been learning, I think those are useless. We need enough vocabulary to speak and understand other people. So we need to learn vocabulary every day. Not আমরা কি করি প্রথমত যে বেশি করে একবারে শিখালাম, আসলে এগুলি এভাবে কাজ করে না, অল্প অল্প শিখতে হয়, কম কম, যে লেস ইজ মোর, কম কম শিখলে একদিন দেখা যাবে যে অনেকগুলি শিখা লাইছি। তারপর ফ্রেজাল ভার্বস, যখন আমরা ফ্রেজাল ভার্বস ইউজ করি সেন্টেন্সে বা কারোর সাথে কথা বলি, যখন when you use phrases in the sentences or when we speak with someone, it makes us more professional English speaker. This is why we need to learn those things. And then idioms. Idioms, their meanings are completely different from the words. This is why we need to learn idioms, because if someone use idioms and you don't know, then you will get it wrong. And if you try to find out the meaning from the words, you will get confused, but you will never ever find out the meaning. So this is why we need to learn those things, and we can use in the sentences, in the when we speak in the conversation. And then intonation. Intonation, I think it's more like our personality. It could be different from your parents, from your brothers, sisters, your friends. It could be unique. The way you speak and the way the rhythm goes ups and downs, it is unique, of course. This is why I think it's more like our personality. We will make videos and you will have a clear idea. You will get a better idea. And then expression of, there is a lot: idiomatic expressions, general expressions, casual expressions, business expressions, formal expressions, informal expressions, plenty of expressions. We will learn together. And then of course general topics, you will see videos, and most of the time you will see videos in the channel that I am speaking on a random topic. There is no specific topics, but I'm just speaking. There is a reason behind this. Why? Because I want you to improve your listening skill. When you watch this type of videos, and you will improve your listening skills. And I suggest you to watch native speaker. You will find plenty of native speakers, native teachers. They are teaching on YouTube, on wherever you are watching this video, on this platform. And I suggest you to find them and watch their video, and your brain will know how they making sentences in a natural way, in a proper way. and you can train your brain that this is the way to make sentences in a proper way or naturally how to speak. So আজকের জন্য এতটুকুই যথেষ্ট ইন্ট্রো ভিডিও বেশি বড় করার দরকার নাই So I hope you will stay with me in this channel and we will who knows future it's unpredictable we can create a community we can build a community through this channel and of course I will be uploading videos constantly I hope you will like those videos so thank you so much for watching this